unscrew handle on air pump and pull it back, hold air pump and push handle. Hey, get her over there. She's looking. What, Jessie? Don't do it like that. You're just going to do that. Now you can't see.
Oh, that wasn't loud. Wait, you like it, don't you?
Yeah, I can interrupt. We're taking this to Daddy's. I'm going to mess with Delana. And I'm going to wake her up with it. So
Delana coming? Delana coming?
Yeah.
Cool.
She has to, because we have to work on a project, but I'll be like,
wake up!
okay.
That's cool. That was hilarious. Hi, Ree. Say hi.
Hi, okay, stop.
Hi. How do you do that? Press that red button.
Oh, yeah.